Introducing Destiny Software's new Director Portal, specifically made for multiple CID dispatch control. To utilize this new feature, first select the CID you wish to view from the menu on the right. Instantly, the map will then populate all of the locations and officers affiliated with that CID. Here, you can jump to a particular officer. To do so, select the officer in question from the menu on the right. Once selected, the officer's location is shown. Here you can view the officer's information as well as the ability to route another officer to that particular location. You also have the option to find the nearest officer. This option allows you to route the nearest officer to the officer in question. Here you can see that Officer HK is nearest to Officer A by 10 miles. If you choose to route another officer, the officer in question will receive a push notification on their phone and will receive a route to that particular officer. If you would like to jump to a particular location, you can do so by clicking on Account on the right side menu. Select any account you wish to view. Once selected, the account in question will appear along with the geofence. Here, you can view all of the details associated with this particular location by clicking on the View Details button. You can also view the post orders associated with that particular location. Also, you can route the nearest officer to this location. In this case, Officer DJR is nearest to this location by 14.7 miles. You can also create a dispatch by clicking on the Create Dispatch button on the right. Fill out the information as you see fit. Once you are finished, click on Create Dispatch. The new Director Portal also allows you to view active calls. To view active calls, click on the Dispatch button on the left side menu. This is specific to each CID. Here you can choose which type of call you'd like to view. You can also create a quick call. To do so, click on Options on the top right corner. Then click Create Quick Call. Here you would fill out the information as you see fit. Once completed, click Create Dispatch. The dispatch will then automatically show in the active calls list. Here you can quickly acknowledge the call if the officer in the field does not. We have made changes in Atom 602 and Destiny Mobile that will allow the officer to mark the dispatch as acknowledged when they receive it. If needed, you can modify the details of the dispatch by clicking the Dispatch Call ID. There you can adjust the call as needed, such as adding notes. Once you are done, click Save and Close. Another new feature in the Director Portal is the Shift Notes feature. This can be accessed by clicking on the Shift Notes tab on the left side menu. Here you can create shift notes for any CID by clicking on Add New Record. Here you can add shift notes such as start date and time, end date and time, and the recipients. In the running log section, you can add specific shift notes such as time, officers, location, officer statement, and the disposition. Once completed, click Save and Close. The dispatcher can then create a running log of activities associated with that location. Once all of the activities have been added, you can send a PDF of all the entries created. This page also has an autosave function, which allows you to leave it open while you create your entries. We have also made improvements to our Position History feature. To view Position History, click on the Tracking tab on the left side menu. Then click on Position History. Select the CID, Unit ID, User, or Tracker, and the date. Once selected, click Submit. Here we now see that the position history has changed. Instead of hovering over a colored area to view its information, you can view the individual entries on the right-hand side. By clicking on one of the entries, you can see its location. There can be multiple pages depending on how much the unit has traveled. Improvements have also been made to unit status. To get to unit status, click on location, then click Unit Status. Visually, it looks the same, however, it updates more quickly than our current unit status. Our new search feature allows you to search intuitively. To access this feature, click on Search from the left side menu. Then select the CID you would like to search. Then select what you are searching for from the drop-downs list. You can search by person, vehicle, parking permit, or dispatch. For this example, we will be searching for a person. Then select the account that the person is associated with. If you would like to search through all the accounts, select All. Deselect the record type you are not searching for. Record types include FI, Arrest, Incident, Property Information, VFI, and Warning. If you would like to search through all record types, leave all record types selected. Once done, click Next. Finally, fill out the person's information such as first name, last name, driver's license information, or alias, then click Search. Here you will see all the entries that are associated with the information you entered into the search feature. Our pass-down feature has remained the same. If you have any questions about the information explained in this video, do not hesitate to call us at 888-342-4833.